Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to find lost things through numerology. In this video I will tell you how by following certain steps you can find any lost thing by the use of numerology. So let's get started. So the process is that in front of you there are 5 steps and you have to follow these 5 steps in order to find any lost things. So the first step is you have to think of that object which you have lost. Like if you have lost your keys, so just think of your keys. Just place that object in your mind and think of it, and instantly, without any break, just say nine digits or nine numbers between 1 to 9. So the total number of digits or numbers has to be 9, and they have to be between 1 and 9. So the second step is write them down. Now you have to write those digits on a piece of paper, and then you have to add all those 9 digits. Like let's say the number is 111111, 9 times 1. Repetition is allowed in this process. You can repeat any number of times. So 9 times 1 is 9. Now you have to add 3 to the sum. You get 12. So the sum is 12. Now you have to look the number 12 in the list. It is given in the later section of this video. Like you have this list. So you have to look up that number in that list, and you will get some hints where your lost object is placed. So our number was number 12. So in corresponding to number 12, you can see search at your workplace or where you keep the books and files or paper. It is in a very safe zone. So now what you have to do, you have to search your keys in that area and you will find it. Like you may have a library in your home and you have placed them there and you have forgot. So it is a very easy process, a very interesting process through which you can get some hints regarding where you have kept your lost things. So let's understand it better through the help of an example. So let's say that you have forgotten your papers, some papers or some keys or anything, and you want to find it. So just think of that object, and in this example we have taken these 9 digits: 2 4 5 7 3 8 9 8 and 6. Now what we have to do is we have to add all these 9 digits. So 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 8, 6 and 6. So the sum is 58. Now we have to add 3 to the sum. The sum we now get is 61. Now you have to refer this number in the list, and the statement corresponding to the number 61 in the list is it is near the shoe rack or in the lower part of the house. Lower part of the house is like the basement, or anything which is in, or the lower floor, the ground. If there is no basement, then on the ground floor. So what you have to do is now you have to search that object in the lower part of the house or near the shoe rack. Like you have kept your paper or your keys near the shoe rack and you have now forgotten it. So now search in that place and you will find your object. So it is a very interesting activity. So now here we have the list, and there are statements corresponding to the list. So if you have lost any object, you can follow these steps, and you can pause the video and look that number in this list. And there is one more thing, that you can also optimize, or you can interpret it in your present circumstances, like look to the passage or the corridor or near to the balcony. Now near to the balcony, it can be in your own house, it can be the balcony of your own house, or you might have visited your friend or your relative, and it can be in their balcony. So it provides you some hints, like where you have uh, kept that object. So these are all the list. You can like you see in the number 82, look in the kitchen area. So if you have lost your keys, then go to the kitchen area if you get this number 82 and look it there. So once again I am showing you the list. So do mention in the comment section if you have lost anything, then do follow these 5 steps and find your object, and do mention in the comment area, in the comment box, how you feel about this technique. So thanks. And it is a very easy technique, a very simple technique of finding lost things. Even I had used in the past, I have even shared it with my friends, these techniques. So do mention in the comment, do like this video and mention in the comment l- uh, your own experience with this technique. Thank you.